A rock hit my window. Y'all know how much it's gonna be?
Brianamccalip, the cut crease queen, yeah. She got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, Brianamccalip, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Brianamccalip.
Happy Vlogmas! Hey everybody, so I'm gonna start off with day one because I didn't really record day one. I just went ahead and got my nails done and a wax. And today now is December 2nd, so if y'all want to stay tuned to see Vlogmas, keep on watching. Today, y'all, I'm starting off like that, but hey y'all, so today is December 2nd, and I am going to be doing Vlogmas this year. I'm gonna try my best to keep all 25 days. Y'all know me. Y'all know me. So today is December 2nd, and it is 7 o'clock. As y'all can see my face, it is 7 o'clock a.m. y'all. I'm up so early. I do not be up this early, and then this is my weekend, so y'all know I do not be up this early. Because Bath and Body Works has a sale, their annual candle sale. So it is $9 for your original $24 candle wick. I'm like, okay, let me get on that. Okay, I can get about 20 candles because I did want long candles, and I'm like, okay, yeah, this is the perfect time. Girl, I woke up I had the same stuff on since yesterday. Ain't brushed my teeth. But y'all, I'm about to go to Bath and Body Works, get me some candles, and yeah, I'll probably go back to sleep because I gotta be at my nail appointment at 1. Then come back and get my hair done. So yeah, I gotta go get some hair for the beauty supply. But yeah, anyways, we about to go stand in this line. I don't even know if it's a line because I don't know if people up at this time. But I'm about to go get me some candles. I don't care about other people. I want to smell them, so I wasn't order my fly and then go pick them up at stores. But I want to go smell some candles, okay? Because I might not even like all the candles. So let's go.
Let me work that body, baby. 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 Let me work that body.
I feel like this is the only way y'all gonna see it. Y'all see that crack? What the fuck? I knew that I was driving like the day before yesterday and the rock hit my window. Y'all know how much it's gonna be? They ain't gonna be able to fix that on this mirror. I'm gonna have to get a whole new one. Okay, so I'm back home. I got 15 candles and it came out to $150 with $10 off coupon, y'all. I had to stock up on my candles. Like, I can't wait. I can't wait till I get a house because it's over with. My house gonna smell so good. I'm telling y'all, it's over with. I'm gonna have plug-ins and everything. It's gonna be candles each way y'all come in. Well, yeah, I can't wait. So I got these, and right now, I'm about to take a nap. I'm probably about to eat a sausage or a McGriddle, sausage egg sandwich or a McGriddle, and then take a nap. This is all my skincare stuff. But yeah, y'all, I did go, and I woke up to get those for that line start, because y'all know it's gonna be a line for these candles. So by the time y'all see this, I don't know if they're gonna be $9 anymore, but y'all better go get some. Let me turn this music down. All right, y'all. So I'm on my way to my appointment. The state police is right in front of me.
Slowdown caused by crashes. You are still on the best route.
I'm pretty sure, girl. Anyways, I made it on time. I'm making it on time. Instead, I get there at 1:01. Let me put this camera down. No, 1:04. Fuck. It's a crash, y'all. It's always something. Like, dang, make me get to my appointment. But yeah, I got a crack in my windshield, and I am blue because that's gonna be $800 more. Like, and I'm saving. I am saving for a house. I'm serious. Like, I'm getting out of here. I'm saving for a house, y'all. But I'm on my way to my nail appointment. I don't want to be on here too much because, like I said, these state troopers in front of me, and I am trying to go to jail. But I got all my stuff, so still, anyways, you know how that go, especially in Chicago. So I am going to. It's too bright still. Yeah, it is too bright. I'm going to catch up with y'all once I get to my feet appointment. I need something. I need a camera stand like to sit on this part, but it's too like it's too leathery. If that makes sense, it's like I don't know. It's feeling. I'm gonna have to find something because I be wanting to sit y'all right here and just talk. Amazon. So I'm gonna have to give. I don't want to stick anything on my windshield. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all once I get to my feet appointment. This jacket all cozy. Yeah, I'm gonna see y'all later. Let me try to maneuver through this traffic for real. Hey y'all, so the last time we spoke was when I think I was getting my feet done. I went to the beauty supply. I got me some packed hair, y'all. This is packed hair. This is the Bobbi Brown. This is the Indie Remy. And I got Goddess. No, Saga. I got Saga underneath. I was like, you know, since they was talking about this Indie Remy, this Indian Remy, I used to get it back in the day too. I think I tried like what, maybe 3 times back in the day because that hair was expensive, baby. It's still expensive, and I don't know why they need to go down on the price. One pack of 12-inch is $120. Like, no, I could go on AliExpress. Not, is that AliExpress? Yes, I can go on AliExpress to get 3 10-inch bundles for $40, and I'm telling you, thick, and it's gonna give. But yeah, this beauty supply, I got a sew in. I did a traditional sew in, y'all, because I be at the gym too. I haven't been in like what, 2 weeks. Oh, I'm slacking, and I need to get back. But I'm gonna end this Vlogmas because this is day 1 and 2. But yeah, nothing too exciting. This is basically like a maintenance day for me. Hair done, wax, nails, toes. Went to go get me some candles, you know, stuff like that. So yeah, tomorrow is the day that we're going to Big Jam. Okay, so that's gonna be a good one. Hello. Make sure the towel's off the dryer. Okay. I'm gonna end this vlog, and I'm gonna see y'all on Vlogmas day 3. Cause I gotta go get some clothes. I don't have no clothes. And I just want something basic. Like, I just want some gym shoes. a t-shirt, and I probably might wear those blazer pants again that I had in this photo. I'm gonna post it right here. If I don't post it, y'all need to get me. But yeah, I'm gonna see if I could like wash those pants and put those on. Little graphic tee moment. I don't know, I love it. So yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna see y'all on my next vlog.